change a lot. If I do the same treatment which my teachers were doing, it is going to be wrong. So let us see how the science, how the oncology has evolved in world. These are the heading under which I will be talking about: surgical oncology, which includes surgery; medical oncology, which involves chemotherapy; hematology is a blood problem; and radiation is where we give X-ray, high beam X-ray to kill the cancer cells. Next, see these two pictures. Tell me which surgery you want to undergo. If I show you two pictures, somebody having tumor in the abdomen, first picture on the right side, second picture, which one you want to undergo? अगर आपको सर्जरी कराना है तो कौन सा कराएंगे आप? राइट साइड का कराएंगे या लेफ्ट साइड का कराएंगे? डिफरेंस क्या है? एनीबॉडी? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू पिक्चर्स? लिटिल बिट विल मेक इट मोर इंटरेक्टिव क्लास. ये दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
After operation,
करेक्ट.
one side symbol is still. Operation symbol is still.
हाँ.
Right side, no symbol.
सेम सर्जरी नहीं, ये सेम सर्जरी है. दूसरा डिफरेंस क्या है? सी द इंसिजन, कट कितना हुआ है. पहले सर्जरी में कट 25 सेंटीमीटर का है, दूसरे इंसिजन में कट कितना है? 2 सेंटीमीटर. वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ नेक्स्ट मिनिमली इन्वेसिव सर्जरी, where it is laparoscopic and robotic surgery. Instead of cutting complete abdomen, we do through the small ports, we put instrument inside and remove the tumor. Next, this can be done in all the cancers. आपके colon cancer, stomach cancer, gynec cancers, lung cancer, esophagus cancer. Next, see this same picture what I have shown. This is how we do laparoscopic surgery. अगर ये सर्जरी को मैं ओपन करता था तो ये कट आता था पूरा इधर से इधर तक, बट दिस इज द पिक्चर यू सी, देयर इज नो कट. ओनली थ्रू द 5 mm ports we have put the instruments and operating, and we are operating. So this is the difference. ओपन सर्जरी इतना कट आता था, ये पेशेंट जो मैं ऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ इतने कट है बस. दिस इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ लैप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी. नेक्स्ट, same thing can be done back. Same thing can be done in thorax. जो पहला पिक्चर था वो एब्डोमेन का था. ये जो दूसरा पिक्चर है, ये देखिए, अगर मैं ओपन करूंगा चेस्ट वॉल तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कट होगा, बट इधर ओनली थ्रू 3 ports आई एम एबल टू रिमूव द ट्यूमर लाइक दिस. So this is the advantage of minimally invasive surgery. And just for your knowledge, this patient is 7-year-old बच्चा, छोटा बच्चा है ये 7 साल का. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अडल्ट्स में होता है, बच्चों में भी वी कैन डू मिनिमली इन्वेसिव सर्जरी एंड रिमूव द ट्यूमर. नेक्स्ट, ये लीवर सर्जरी है. दिस इज द लीवर, दिस इज द स्टमक. सो लीवर सर्जरी आल्सो नाउअडेज वी आर डूइंग मिनिमली इन्वेसिव, वेयर वी डोंट कट. अगर लीवर का पहले सर्जरी होता था तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कट होता था, अभी सिर्फ लैप्रोस्कोपिक से हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट, we have moved from laparoscopic to robotic surgery. This is myself only, don't confuse, ये मैं ही हूँ, दाढ़ी नहीं थी वो टाइम पे. This is a robotic surgery where the surgeon will sit on the robot and operate, and the instruments are put into the abdomen. So this is the same patient which we are operating robotically here. So I move here and the instruments are put in the patient, and here the instruments are moving. So we have moved from laparoscopic surgery to robotic surgery, where with the use of robot we are able to remove the tumor completely with more precision and with no cut. This is the advantage of robotic surgery. Seeing my technique, we have published my technique in an international journal. उसको बोलते हैं Goel technique of laparoscopic hysterectomy for endometrial cancer. For uterine cancers, there is a technique जो मेरे नाम पर publish हुआ है. It is called Goel technique, which is minimally invasive, which leads to very fast recovery. Next, again second question, if I show you two pictures, what do you want to undergo? कौन सा अगर कराना है तो कौन सा कराएंगे आप दोनों में से? Exactly, ये कराएंगे. क्यों? Nobody want bag on the abdomen. Nobody want कि मोशन उसका abdomen से आते रहे. With help of technology and skills. Next, nowadays we are doing stapler anastomosis, where जहाँ पर हम परमानेंट बैग लगाते थे, आजकल हम बैग नहीं लगा रहे. Thanks to our skills and knowledge, This is the same patient which we are doing robot laparoscopically. We join intestine to intestine with the help of staplers and we make sure कि patient को बैग ना लगे, क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेशेंट ऐसा बोलते हैं मैं मर गया तो परवाह नहीं है, मुझे बैग नहीं लगाना है। तो ये हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि ऐसा उसको सर्जरी अच्छा करें कि उसको बैग लगाने की जरूरत ना पड़े। नेक्स्ट, अनदर इनोवेशन इज इन रिकंस्ट्रक्शन। रिकंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या करते हैं हम, इन एडिशन टू क्यूरिंग द पेशेंट वी मेक श्योर द पेशेंट की लाइफ बहुत अच्छी हो जाए। नेक्स्ट, सी दिस इज द चेस्ट वॉल ट्यूमर, उसको ट्यूमर इधर चेस्ट वॉल पे था, कंप्लीट स्किन वाज इन्वॉल्व, सो व्हाट वी डिड वी रिमूव द ट्यूमर कंप्लीटली एंड पीछे से स्किन का फ्लैप लेके वी हैव डन अ रिकंस्ट्रक्शन। दिस इज द एडवांसमेंट इन रिकंस्ट्रक्शन। नेक्स्ट, another example, chest wall tumor, we have taken the flap from the abdomen completely and reconstructed. Next, tongue cancer, which is very common in tobacco users. Almost half of the tongue is removed, but reconstruction was done so beautifully you cannot make out any surgery is done only. This is the advancement in latest technique. This is because of tobacco, which is also very common in Bangladesh, similar to India. Almost 50% of the tongue is removed. You can see. If this was not done, patient खा नहीं सकता, बात नहीं कर सकता. But after this, he will lead a completely normal life like before. Next, another example जहाँ पे पूरा mandible निकाल दिया है, bone, पूरा bone निकाल के we have taken a bone from the leg. Leg से reconstruction करके we have put the complete new bone here. Again, swallowing, speech, everything will be very fine. Next, can anybody guess what is this case? जो भी guess करेगा उसको definitely they deserve one chocolate. ये केस क्या है, कोई guess कर सकता है? ये तो ट्यूमर है एब्डोमेन का, everybody can make out. Anything else? You will be surprised. She is pregnant. She is 36 week pregnant with abdominal wall tumor. ये पेशेंट मेरे पास आया था ना, what to do? We cannot do cesarean section. So what we did next, we have removed the tumor completely after delivery and did a reconstruction. So this is the high-end work we are doing where nobody can imagine that this patient can be cured. And this patient came to me after 3 years with this baby. This baby was in the abdomen. So after delivery, this baby, mother is also doing good, baby is also doing good. This is the advantage of innovation and doing difficult cases, which is challenging cases. Next, this was about surgery. Now let us move to medical oncology. What is the difference between these two diagrams? Anybody? Difference क्या है? कोई बोल सकता है क्या चल रहा है इधर? Guess.
Warfare.
Exactly.
Warfare.
In warfare, what is the difference? Correct, you are correct. Both are warfare photos. See, the enemy is sitting at the 5th floor. The difference here is, he is using sniper to just kill the enemy, whereas he is completely bombarding the building. So, where is the more collateral damage? ज़्यादा damage किधर हो रहा है? Exactly. Here we are completely destroying the building. Enemy भी मर रहा है, साथ में building भी खत्म हो रही है, normal लोग भी मर रहे हैं. But here we are just targeting the 5th floor where the enemy is sitting and targeting. Why this is important? This is about chemotherapy which we used to give. Now we have moved to targeted therapy and immunotherapy. Next, welcome to the world of targeted therapy where we cure the cancer with targeted therapy without giving chemotherapy. Advantage is this, we have a target on the cancer cells where the molecule will go and only hit the cancer cells. If you know the story of Troy and Gallop, anybody has seen new movie Odyssey?
This is called Achilles heel.
Exactly, perfect. So we know what is the weakness of Achilles and we hit on the ankle. Similarly, targeted therapy knows that the target is only the cancer cells, not the normal cells. So with the help of targeted therapy, we only kill the cancer cells. Next. Example you can understand with this. See, this is the cancer, colon cancer example. If we give the therapy, see it is affecting on all the patients, all the cells. So normal cells are also killed, cancer cells are also killed. Whereas in targeted therapy, we differentiate the cells and give therapy like for green only green, for yellow only yellow, for blue only blue. Effect is more, side effect is less, normal cells are not killed. So we are using targeted therapy for many cancers like colon cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, and we are using less of chemotherapy. Next. About immunotherapy, it is a treatment to increase the immunity of the body to kill the cancer cells. What happens? This is a melanoma cell, skin cancer cells. It has formed a protection around it so that my body will not recognize and kill the cancer cells. Immunotherapy, what it is doing? It is making the T cell or the immunity cell to recognize the cancer cell and kill it. This is the advantage of immunotherapy. Next. Bone marrow transplant, just one slide. It is the treatment where your chemotherapy, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, everything has failed. जहाँ पर सब फेल हो जाते हैं वहाँ पर आपका बोन मैरो ट्रांसप्लांट काम करता है, जहाँ पर we draw the bone marrow from the body, save it, give high dose of chemotherapy to kill all the cancer cells, then reinfuse the normal stem cells so that they will lead a normal life. Next. Latest is the CAR T cell therapy which is available at Star Hospital. It boosts body immunity to fight the cancer cells. It is like increasing your immunity to kill the cancer cells. Very effective in leukemia, lymphoma, and where other treatment have failed. This is very important slide. The cost of CAR T cell therapy is 60 lakh Indian rupees in Star Hospital. Can you guess what is the cost for same treatment in Singapore or US? 60 lakh in India in Star Hospital. Can you guess what is the cost? 4 crore. The difference between the treatment in Singapore, America or India is almost 8 times, 6 to 8 times. When we are doing the same treatment in 60 lakh, it costs there 4 to 5 crore. Next. Let us see how the CAR T cell therapy works. Yellow cell is the cancer cell here, and this blue cell is the immunity cell. This cell will go and kill the cancer cells. So we recognize the immunity cells from the body, remove it and change it into the outside media, grow it, make it into the millions and millions of copies. Once we grow it, we reinfuse the cells into the body, which will go and kill the cancer cells. Very simple. So we are increasing the immunity of the patient to fight the cancer cells. Next, radiation therapy. Next, lot of precision has happened where we don't give radiation to whole body. We give radiation only to the tumor. You can understand with this brain. This is the brain where this is the cancer. So before when you used to give radiation, everything used to get injured. But now with precision radiation, we are giving radiation only to the cancer cells and normal cells are not affected. So this is again about precision radiation. Next, in addition to all this treatment, we have genetic clinic, pain and palliative clinic, nutrition clinic and screening. Anybody wants screening to be done for cancer like mammogram, pap smear, everything we have available. Next, coming to next point, cost transparency and finances. We are the only hospital who give financial assistance to the patient. I will tell you with example. There are some high-end molecules like targeted therapy and immunotherapy, which from the company they give 1+1 because they are costly. So we make sure the same benefit we give to the patient, irrespective of from where they are coming. Other hospitals may charge for free drugs also, but we don't do like that. If somebody, insurance company or pharma company is giving 1+1 drug, we make sure that company or that benefit is given to the patient. Next. In the end, these are the 5 points which I want to tell and end. First point is affordability. As I told you, colon cancer surgery will cost only $4,000 in Star Hospital compared to 30,000 in Singapore. Skilled doctors. We perform the highest number of complex cancer surgery in India, as you have seen in few of the examples. World-class infrastructures, you just name, we have robotics, CAR T cell therapy, bone marrow transplant. Another example which is very important is Dhaka and Hyderabad have same culture and cuisine. So you don't feel like you're outside your home. when you have good food which you eat daily, you will feel you are at home only and you recover very fast. Fifth, we have a direct flight from Dhaka to Hyderabad. Yesterday it took only 2 hours 20 minutes for me to reach from Hyderabad to Dhaka. It is like going to Delhi from Hyderabad. So we have a direct connectivity from Dhaka to Hyderabad, which makes your life very easy. I want to end by saying this. Fight against cancer is advancing through innovation. Global collaboration is very important so that every patient will benefit. Thank you for your attention. Looking forward for any questions.